Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix AutoCAD activation issues in 2026. If AutoCAD won't activate, keeps asking you to sign in, or displays an activation error, this guide will walk you through the most effective solutions step by step. First, make sure your computer is connected to a stable internet connection. AutoCAD needs to communicate with Autodesk servers to verify and activate your license. Next, launch AutoCAD and sign in using the correct Autodesk account. Make sure you're using the account associated with your active subscription, educational license, or free trial. Now check that your AutoCAD version and the Autodesk licensing service are fully updated. Open Autodesk Access and install any available updates before trying to activate the software again. If the activation still fails, sign out of your Autodesk account inside AutoCAD, close the application, then reopen it and sign back in. This refreshes your license information. Next, verify that your computer's date, time, and time zone are set correctly. Incorrect system settings can sometimes prevent successful license verification. If you're using a firewall or antivirus program, temporarily disable it and test the activation again. Security software may occasionally block Autodesk licensing services. Finally, if none of these steps solve the issue, repair the Autodesk licensing service or contact Autodesk support with the exact activation error code for further assistance. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix AutoCAD activation issues step by step. Your software should now activate successfully and be ready to use. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.